All right, hello everyone. Hope you all are having a great evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. And I wanted to do a little video. I'm going to talk a little about pkexec and give them the latest news and views. Now, I don't know if you're like me. When Debian, Dev1, Buster and Beowulf no longer are using GKSU, and now you're basically having to do things with pkexec. And if you're like me, getting used to it, you may have felt something like this.
That dirty Turkish back flattened Morton, Philip Martin, Perkaluma, Burton, Durton, Boston, Martin, Martin, and Adam. Oh, titty free, picking, ratting, written, hitting, bloats, and dirty wreck of frackin' slaughter.
I hope I don't get I hope I don't get banned from YouTube for copyright infringement. Oh, when pkexec became the standard, it caused me a little bit of issues trying to figure out what to do. And basically what I eventually figured out was had to make a pkexec file. And I will show you. Let me see. Let me open File Manager here. This is the pkexec file that I've created for LX Appearance to open as root, which is one of the features of using MiyoLinux. Had no idea what I was doing. Let me go ahead and open it, and I will minimize it. Now, where these files are located, if you're not aware, go to User, Share, Polkit1. Now, this is an ASCII. This is an ASCII version of MiyoLinux, so I'm not actually using it. I'm still using GKSU on this one. Okay, User, Share, Polkit1, Actions. And here are all those evil pkexec files. And basically what I did, I don't remember which one. I opened one up. It was not this one. This one's for synaptic, okay? So basically what I did a word search for synaptic. And here's all the, yeah, this wasn't the one. Basically what I did though, I opened that file and created a new file, and everywhere synaptic was listed, I replaced it with LX Appearance. LX Appearance. And again, I don't think it was synaptic. And then I saved that file as org.lxappearance.policy. And that works. Put it in that folder and everything works fine, no big deal. But there's actually an easier way now that I've recently discovered. And basically all you have to do, let's see, I have it right here. You don't have to make one of those files. You can make a simple script and put this as the beginning. pkexec env blah 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 blah. And since we're talking about LX Appearance, I will do LX Appearance. Alright, now what I'm going to do first, let me open up the terminal. And first, let me do this. This is what drove me up the wall like Yosemite Sam. pkexec LX Appearance. It's asking for my password. That looks great. Yeah. Okay. Oh dear. Cannot open the display. However, with this command here, it will work. So let's do that. Alright. Okay, enter my password. And there's LX appearance as root. And now the benefit of this is you can make your root account look however you want it to look. You can make it match your user account or make it look totally different, whatever you want to do. So what we're going to do, as you see, let me open up, well, I'm going to change it real quick. I'm going to change from deepen to deepen dark and change the icon theme to papyrus dark. And really that's basically all you have to change. You might want to change your font, I'm not sure, but that's basically it. Apply it. Okay. Now I need to close this, and let's open up PCman FM as root, and we'll see if those changes actually did take effect. And there we go. We're doing deep and dark with the papyrus dark icons. Now, that's a long way around for something you could just do this for. Sudo LX appearance. And there we go. It does the same thing. However, can't put that in a menu. You can't make it appear as an application. But what we can do with this command over here for pkexec is we can turn that into a script, and that's what we're going to do right now. Let me open up the file manager again. I'm going to create a new empty file, and what do I want to call this? LX app. Okay, LX app. That's what I'll call it. I'm going to copy this, open this one. Going to do the bin bash thing. And then paste in the command. Save it. And now we have our script. Let's make it executable. And now let's try it. And there we go. The script works. So now let me open PCman FM because I want to add that to my menu. Okay, let me open PCman FM as root. I'm going to copy this script. I'm going to put it in user local bin, paste it in there, double check the properties just to make sure. It's probably going to show me as the owner. That's okay. I'm just doing this as an example. And now let's add that to my menu, because right now the menu is using GKSU to open that up. Okay, so let me open up the menu. I'm going to go full screen on this and find that Where is it? Right here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this whole line, because this is just for a learning experience. I'm going to paste that line in there. I'm going to comment out the one that uses GKSU, and I'm going to put, oh dear, what did I call that? LX app. LX app. Okay, I'm going to save that file, close it, and now it should work. Let's find out. That's the right window there for authentication. And there we go. Okay. Now, how much that's going to actually help somebody, I don't know. But it comes in handy when you need it. What I will do, hopefully YouTube will allow me to, I don't see any characters in here that they normally won't allow you to post. I will leave this in the description, and hopefully that'll help someone like it helped me. You don't have to go through all that rigmarole of creating a pkexec file and putting it in user share polkit1 actions. You can just use that shortcut, make you a quick little script, and there you go. So that's it for the pkexec. Now the news is that I have finally finished the MiyoLinux Update Notifier. Got it working the way I want, and hopefully I'll have it uploaded soon. It works great. I've got it using now, instead of using the terminal, I've got it opening up Synaptic Package Manager, and to me that's it solved a few little issues that I really wasn't aware of, and frankly still don't really understand. There could possibly be issues with using X-terminal emulator or Xterm on some people's computers, but using Synaptic takes care of all that. Now the other thing, that's it for the news. The MiyoLinux Update Notifier is finished, and I will be uploading it soon, and I will come back and put a link in the video description when I have it uploaded. Now the views. My wife and I, we have a 21-year-old daughter and and an 11-year-old son. And wait, is he 11? 9-year-old son. I just had a birthday not long ago, and my old age is starting to catch up with me. We have a 9-year-old son. 11. Anyway, he's in 4th grade, and there's some little girl there in his class that doesn't like him. And my wife, she said, "Well, son, say something nice to her. You know, give her a compliment. You be nice to her, and maybe she'll start being nice to you." So our son the next day goes to school and he finds a little girl. He said, "Hey, you're not stupid." That was his compliment. You're not stupid. So there you have it. A little bit of help with pkexec, some news about the MiyoLinux Update Notifier, and the views of life as viewed through a 9-year-old's eyes. All right, you guys have a great evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Take care.